One of the features I want to use on this drone when I'm out at sea is the orbit follow mode. So we're back out on the downs to give it another go, because the first time I tried it out it flew into a fence. Well, we've got it out, we've got it to go far and high on an orbit follow. A bit breezy again. I don't know if it's going to trap me with the wind. I can still hear it though, so see if it flies into a fence this time. Right, the orbit follow seems to be working fine. Like, the ground is rising up, so it'll be interesting to see if it adjusts for that. Keeping up with me just fine. How many orbits it will do. Well, right. Drop some gears. It's going well, isn't it? The wind is stronger up here. Oh, it's really struggling against that wind. Turn home button.